What's up, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the future with the highly anticipated 2025 Lamborghini Temerario. This isn't your average Lamborghini, it's a whole new beast. Let's break down the rumors, the leaks, and everything we know so far about this mind-blowing machine. The Temerario is rumored to be a complete departure from the classic Lamborghini silhouette. We're expecting a super sleek, ultra-modern design that pushes the boundaries of what a Lamborghini can look like. Think sharp angles, a low-slung profile, and active aerodynamics that morph to hug the curves and maximize performance. Lamborghini is embracing the future with the hybrid powertrain for the Temerario. Whispers suggest a combination of a powerful twin-turbo V12 engine we all know and love, paired with an electric motor for an insane power boost and ridiculous acceleration. Imagine shredding the road with that instant-to-work and mind-bending speed. Speaking of performance, the Temerario is expected to be an absolute monster. We're talking about neck-snapping acceleration, mind-blowing top speeds, and handling that will leave you speechless. This Lambo will be a true force to be reckoned with on the racetrack. Interior: Lamborghini interiors are legendary for their Italian craftsmanship and luxurious feel, and the Temerario is no exception. Expect top-of-the-line materials, cutting-edge technology, and a driver-focused cockpit that puts you in complete control. Every touchpoint will lose luxury and performance. Owning a Lamborghini is a statement, and the Temerario will be the ultimate status symbol. With its futuristic design, insane performance, and luxurious interior, this Lambo will turn heads wherever you go. It's not just a car, it's a rolling piece of art and a symbol of success. The information about the Temerario is still under wraps, but rumors suggest there might even be a convertible version, a drop-top Temerario cruising down the coast with the wind in your hair. Sign me up. Lamborghini is tight-lipped about the official release date, but whispers suggest a late 2024 or early 2025 unveiling. The wait is almost over. What are your thoughts on the Temerario, Lambo fam? What features are you most excited about? Do you think the hybrid approach is a good move? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. If you love everything Lamborghini, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. We'll be covering all the latest updates about the